The hawk was out here soaring. I'm hoping he didn't quit. He's just gliding. I'll keep an eye out. I didn't have the camera close enough the time I went inside. He's down at the lake. Don't see nothing. I'll keep my eye out. I mean, it was so cool just gliding up there, and the sun's so high in the sky, you could see right through his wings. So cool. Looked like a falcon. A falcon and a hawk are so close you can't tell unless you're kind of a bird person. The hawk is doing everything to get me out here. Where in the world is it? Did you see? It's been screaming and screaming. Come on, Ted. I don't want Ted to screw it up. This hawk is just screaming and screaming. And I've been trying to do videos because woodpeckers were here. I got a nice video for you guys. Things are going. Now I got this guy yelling his head off at me. Say something, I'm not going to hang out long. I seen him flying right here. Keep an eye out. See, I told you, he's doing everything to get me to come out of the house. I mean, he flew around in the video this morning. We got him doing 100 miles an hour. I cannot see it. I'm pointing toward it, but I can't see it. I hope it's on screen. I told you it was doing everything to get me out. Guys and gals, I cannot see it when it's that small, even with my glasses on. All I can do is point and pray. If I'd have gotten a little closer, it would have been nice. I believe there's 2 hawks out here. That was a very small hawk. One of the hawks is probably moving into the tree.